I'm going to show you our prototype dental system, DMD. It's designed to let dentists review lots of information about a set of teeth, plan a treatment, and educate patients. So with that in mind, let's take a look at how it works. My patient today is Sarah Williams, who is already in the operatory. I arrive and use the schedule to find and open her record. I'm now looking at the patient overview page. Immediately, I can see the high-level information I need before carrying out any treatment. This includes the patient's photo, personal and family information, chief complaint, and medical alerts. I can see what medications the patient is on, and I can look up the medications in further detail if I am not familiar with them. Sarah says she's here to get her teeth fixed. I'll go ahead and start by looking at her perio chart, something dentists usually do first. I see some bone loss in the lower left section of the screen, indicated by the red dots and numbers higher than 3. I recommend the hygienist do a deep cleaning of this area and take a closer look later. To continue planning the treatment, I go to the radiographs. I want to get a closer look at the right maxillary molar radiograph. I'll tap on it to get a full view. Looks like some fillings have been done here, but I'd like to get a better angle on tooth number 4, so I'll flick to the next radiograph. Number 4 indeed has a filling, but I want to see it on a photo, so I push the button for tooth number 4 to view all information about that tooth. From here, I can pull up a photo of the tooth. Using the stylus, I can draw anywhere on the screen. Looks like there's a filling that's caused a fracture. I want to see the detail in this photo, so I'll use the loop tool. The loop enlarges the photo as I pass my finger over it. Looks like the tooth needs some repairs, probably a new crown. Before I fix this tooth, I want to examine the whole region. I head back to single tooth view for tooth number 4 using the back button. By pulling up the sextant view for this region, I can see that the other teeth around number 4 also seem to be having problems. Tooth number 1 needs repair. Looks like there's some decay there. I now want to take a look at the whole mouth. To explain the problems and solutions to the patient, I open up the 3D model and show the patient that in this area there are several problems. Using the button in the top right corner, I change my pen color to blue. Besides the fracture that tooth number 4 had, you can see decay here on tooth number 1, 2, and 30. To give the patient another perspective on her teeth, I go to the Photos tab and pull up a photo of the top teeth. I show her where the fracture for number 4 is. Number 1 and number 2 need repair as well. Showing the patient the situation of her own teeth in a visual, compelling way, such as a photo like this, helps the patient understand what is really the current situation and what can be done about it. The patient develops ownership of her dental situation and starts actively participating in dental care. But beyond just showing the patient what's happening, DMD lets dentists make a better judgment of what the problem is. The touchscreen interaction fits perfectly into the operatory, and staff love using it. So that's DMD. The website will provide you a lot more detail, and you can download and play with the app yourself. Thanks for watching.